great to just be on camp and to be told that you're starting tomorrow is great. It's a great honour to play for your country, and just to be here is great. But then to start tomorrow, like I said, it is going to be great. Can't wait.
And Charlie, yourself, you're looking forward to the games?
Yeah, obviously I didn't even expect to get much game time this camp, being so young, but it's amazing being picked, and I'll try and take the opportunity best I can.
And being one of the new players, do you think that it keeps some of the older players in the squad on their toes?
I guess so. I don't really think about it like that. I just do my best in each session, see how it goes from there, yeah.
And in terms of the preparation so far, how are they going? Is it a fun camp? Is it a mixture of hard work?
Yeah, the atmosphere is great. I mean, with Jayne coming in, and one of the first camps being just before Christmas, I think we've progressed a lot. But you can definitely see things going in the right direction where they need to be going for us to kind of get where we want to be, really.
Yeah, it'll be a hard game. We know they're a very physical team, but we believe in our ability to win the game. We know we can move the ball quickly, so it should be a good test, yeah.
And in terms of Jayne as the manager, what does she bring to the squad and yourselves as players?
She's just an inspiration, really, just from what she's done in her career. You just look up to her, what she's done, and take on all the advice she gives you. It's just a great person to have around.
She's done it. She's been there, done it. She's played for Wales numerous times, and everything she says, really, we just try and take on board because she's a great player.
We want to be in that qualifying for a final tournament. That's our aim. And I think it's going well so far. So, yeah.